Sometimes the painting subjects that we choose are more about the light and the shade than they are about the actual subject. And sometimes, and actually in many paintings, you need to simplify your subject to the point where you can actually break them down to the light and the shade. So in this subject, which we're going to be painting on Monday, the 3rd of August, it looks complicated. It looks like it's a headache when it comes to the actual complicated subject, the details in it. That's the way I would suggest you don't paint it. Any subject should be able to be broken down into the fundamentals to strengthen the painting, to get rid of confusion and distraction, and absolutely make a painting that has got a stronger impact. Stronger impact means simplify the subject, go to what is essential, and leave the rest out. So this week, what I want to do is I want to focus on everything that we've been working on the last 3 weeks. That means the 4 fundamentals: structure, tonal values, contrast, and contour, so edges. I also want to focus on how we're going to use color to make this subject a little bit more exciting than what it is in the photo. We need to use some sort of color to help boost the, let's say, emotional or even atmospheric sort of effect. And then what I also want to add to this subject is how we're going to be able to simplify and create semi-abstract shapes. This is what we've been doing the last 3 weeks, but I want to apply it in a painting. I want to now take these 3 elements and start putting them together in a painting all together. So this is what we're going to be doing Monday, the 3rd of August. It's going to be a fun session because it's going to be more relaxed. We've learnt a lot. I'm going to remind you of the stuff that we've learnt. So if you weren't there, you'll catch up. So if light, atmosphere, too much detail, too much overworking, too flat are issues for you, this is a lesson that you're going to find is interesting because we're going to deal with all of this. So if you want to join me during this lesson, then come along. Feel free to paint along. If you paint along, you'll get a critique of your painting that you've done during the live. And if you wish to just sit and watch and listen and ask questions at the end, feel free. Sometimes it's great to paint and sometimes it's great just to sit and enjoy the lesson. In both cases, anyway, you'll get the replay, and the replay you will have access to live. So this is putting everything together, seeing if we're able to put everything together, the impact that it gets, simplifying it, and answering the questions that you have. Monday, the 3rd of August. So I look forward to seeing you, and I'll say, see you on Monday.